NVTS stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering everything around that in this brief and short 1-minute video, and just ultimately looking at Navitas Semiconductor is a decent bullish market for me. Now, saying this in a way, not that I'm just going to randomly buy, whatsoever, but all I'm saying is that I recently just got a W. I was waiting for a confirmation, and it sort of just kind of gapped out without me. Now, this doesn't make it any less of a freaking buy for me. Actually, like, it's even a better kind of position, which if I do see some just small little corrections and a double break, then I'm obviously going to look to take it further up and buy. But other than that, I will simply continue to keep you updated. And I do have a lot of previous receipts here with NVTS. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. Like, nothing else to add. So simply put, if I do see this happening, then I'm taking it. If it just goes without me, so be it, but I'll keep you updated for sure. Goodbye. Get my free insights, first link in the description.